blizzard of 2013. Taking the dogs out in the snow. Arlo, don't even think about peeing on him, Arlo. Come on, Bubs, let's go. Show some of the massive snow drifts. This is after shoveling a little path. This was our porch with just far too much snow on it. Anything about. That's our dog Arlo freaking out because he's cold. Arlo. Good gravy. We're trying to. I mean, look at this. Look at the height of this. Like, look at Danielle standing next to it there. It's like 4 feet high. You can sit on this comfortably. It's been snowing for about 20 hours, and it's still snowing. I'm gonna show you what's going on over here. This is our backyard. I'm trying to drop my phone as I walk through it.